How do you start learning beginner algebra? Have you ever wondered how to get started with beginner algebra? It can seem tricky at first, but with the right approach, it becomes much easier. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to understand what variables are. Variables are symbols, often letters like x or a, that stand for unknown numbers. In algebra, you will often solve equations to find the value of these variables. Start with simple equations, such as 3 times x equals 12 or x plus 4 equals 18. The goal is to isolate the variable on one side of the equation to find its value. Next, familiarize yourself with the 4 basic operations in algebra: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You will use these operations with both numbers and variables. It is also essential to learn how to combine like terms. This means adding or subtracting terms that share the same variable part. When solving equations, take it step by step. First, simplify both sides by performing any operations inside parentheses and handling exponents if they are present. Then, use inverse operations to move numbers from one side of the equation to the other. For example, if you have 4 times x equals 28, divide both sides by 4 to find that x equals 7. Practice is key. Work through a variety of simple algebra problems to build your confidence. After solving an equation, verify your answers by substituting the variable back into the original equation to see if it holds true. As you learn, focus on understanding the meaning behind each step instead of just memorizing procedures. This will make algebra feel more approachable and help you grasp the fundamentals clearly. You can also apply beginner algebra to everyday problems. For instance, you might need to calculate prices, distances, or quantities when some information is missing but can be represented with variables. Starting with these basic concepts and gradually increasing the complexity of problems will help you build a solid foundation in algebra. Remember, practice and patience are your best friends on this learning journey.